A beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre, and the decibel levels are rising. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Pedri. Rijkaard. And it's Messi. So what can they make of this? João Cancelo. Looks to the other side. Brozovic. Pedri.
Look, it's a run defence's dislike, but the time...
Towering header! Grealish goes on a run down the left wing. Skriniar. Fiddles it through. João Cancelo is flagged offside. And it's intense, this pressure from the front. Marquinhos. And he's gone searching crossfield. Acuna desperately trying to get onto the end of this one. João Cancelo. And it's Grealish. And that has been clubbed away. No change to the score, 0-0 it remains. That's a throw. Acuna. And that's been levered clear. Played back in. Rijkaard gets it clear. Marquinhos. Passing is crisp and sharp. Rabiot! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Poor pass that, sloppy. And it's Grealish. And the pass is intercepted. Collier. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. He can get that clear. João Cancelo. He's left his man. And the ball is out of play. Mbappe is firing after that one. Gascoigne will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. Lampard, and that interception was most necessary. And it's Cancelo. Fires it in low. Goal kick. No, I stand corrected, it's a corner. And the keeper beats it away. Marquinhos. He's gone for goal! Rising over the bar.
Unsurprisingly, he's been quick to apologise. If you lean backwards, the results are normally high and wide.
Gascoigne. Gascoigne on a strong run down the right. And the shot! And he's managed to get rid. João Cancelo. It's a good run down the right. It's Pedri. Rabiot. Acuna. And the first 45 minutes are up. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game.
Well, that's good to a point, but they also need an alternative.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0. And we're already back underway here. 0-0 then, and we're back underway. And the header! Oh, great save, real class.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
And it's Cancelo. Marquinhos. Marquinhos. Skims one in. It's a pretty loose pass. Strong running down that left flank. He's got away. Opts to play it back. Pedri. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Now it's Mbappe. Out to the left it goes. Another fruitless header.
Well, there's nothing wrong with the service. They've just been very wasteful in the air.
Have their second corner now. Keeper has taken decisive action. And the shot! Oh, the ball's run loose here. And now they can spring out of defence. Grealish. And he skips past his man.
The attendance for this match was 71,898.
De Bruyne. He's shifting through the gears here. Picked out brilliantly. Ah, he's given it away. Decent hit! Now, who's going to be first to this? That's a half-decent try. And he just whacks it away. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. And now a sudden chance to counter. Moved on forwards. Shot could be on. Giroud, real chance! He's missed, but not by that far. So, third corner of the game.
Kevin De Bruyne! Number 8.
Great leap!
Number 5.
Another chance!
Number 13.
And And the keeper
Number
passes the
7.
test.
Otavio.
Fourth
Number
corner of the game.
18, Andres Iniesta. Number 15. Number 11. Neymar.
And now a sudden chance to counter.
Number 9. Erling Haaland. Substitution in progress.
Hernandez. Poor pass that, sloppy. And here's Giroud. Out towards the flank. Up to meet it! Oh, should really have made more of that.
Yeah, that was really sharp.
Brozovic picks it up from the goal kick. Well, they've got it again. Messi. He's through, now is he in? Big chance! No mistake! Finally the breakthrough!
Excitement and entertainment. What a lovely moment.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Acuna.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Played out to the right. Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. And here's Giroud. Otavio.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Oh, great play! He's had a shot!
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Hernandez. Into the last 5 minutes. Pedri. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Berardi. Into the middle. Climbs up big! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Now it's Messi. Now it's Haaland. And he's... Brozovic. Pedri. And it's Brozovic.
There will be 3 minutes
Lovely
added
ball
time.
into space. He is through here. Heads it! Could have here their final chance. And it's hoisted clear. It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. And that is the end of it. They hung on right till the finish. One goal settled it. A tense and exciting game that just got away.